The second assignment in the What Does It Mean to Be a Blank research project assignment series is a discovery draft. You have a topic and maybe a few ideas, but you need to gather more materials before you jump in earnest. In a quote often but possibly mistakenly attributed to Flannery O'Connor, she says, "I write because I don't know what I think until I read what I say." Writing is often used by writers as a way of thinking and exploring. The idea behind a discovery draft is that you should start the process of research by identifying what you already know about the topic before diving into the databases and articles. Discovery drafts help you find holes in your knowledge base, which will help you find areas for additional research. They also help you create some content in your own voice that you can use and repurpose in your final essay. I don't know about you, but a lot of times I'll jump onto Google and suddenly end up following a rabbit hole into unexpected terrain. There's nothing wrong with that, but sometimes starting with what you know can help keep you on track. To clarify, this discovery draft is your second paper and invention activity designed to help you write your What Does It Mean to Be a Blank research project. So your topic should be the same one that you chose last week. If you don't know what the research project is, go back to week 10 and look for the research project introduction video. In your discovery draft, you should define your chosen identity. You make the definition, not Google or Wikipedia. Then list some things you already know about the topic that you find to be interesting, useful, insightful, helpful, etc. Then list keywords, terms, and synonyms associated with your topic that you can use to search databases for research. Finally, identify some questions you have about the topic so that you can use them to guide your research. When you format your paper, go ahead and structure it like a list with headings. 1, definition. 2, what I already know. 3, keywords. 4, questions. The example about writing that is provided in the example research assignment series on Moodle is a little different because I taught the paper a little different that time that I wrote that example. This example is more accurate to what you should actually be going for. Notice how I've used the headings 1, definition, 2, what I already know, 3, keywords, 4, questions, and then I went in and filled in the details. This is what you should do as well. Your logistics are the same as they usually are. Don't forget a title. If you look at the grading guide, you will receive a point for each of the 4 items on that list that we've talked about. 1, definition, 2, what you already know, 3, keywords, 4, questions. So make sure you address all of those elements. And you'll notice on our pacing schedule that we're looking at personality types this week. This is meant to be fun and helpful as you tackle the question of your identity for this paper. But I'd also like you to be at least a little bit critical of these categories of personality and character. You'll be discussing these personality types in the forum, and I keep wondering if one of you will find your personality doppelganger, or someone who is your personality twin. Okay. So I'll shut up and let you get to work on your discovery drafts. Happy drafting.